Hi everyone. The problem now that we are going to solve involves the input table as delivery. This table has below columns delivery ID, customer ID, which is the ID of the customer, order date, that is the date on which the order is placed, and delivery date, that is when the order is to be delivered. So consider this delivery to be cake delivery. So here, in this case, for example, the customer ID 5 has placed the order on 2nd of August and want the cake delivery to be done on the same day, that is 2nd of August itself. Similarly, another user of customer ID 3 has placed the order on 24th August but want the delivery to be done on 26th of August. So what do we see is there are two kind of orders. There are customers who want the delivery to be done on the same day on which the order is placed, and then there are customers who want the delivery to be done on a later day than on the day on which the order is placed. So these orders where the delivery date is same, these are called as immediate orders. Okay, the date, order date and delivery date is same, so it is immediate orders. And the entries where these dates are different, that is the delivery date is on a later day than the order date, so these are called as scheduled orders. So we have immediate orders and scheduled order entries. Now, as part of the output, we have to find out the immediate order percentage. Okay, so we have to find out of the all the orders how much percentage belongs to the immediate orders. So how do we calculate that? So first of all, we have to find out how many total immediate order entries are there. Okay. So in this sample, there are two entries. And this, if we divide by overall number of orders, we will get the immediate percentage. So 2 divided by, I think there are 6 orders. So 2 divided by 6 will give us the immediate percentage. Okay. So let's work on this problem and solve it. So we will work on the input table, that is delivery. Let's keep all the columns. And first of all, we will determine whether an entry belongs to immediate order or scheduled order. So how do we differentiate? We will just compare these two columns. So for that, we will use case condition. So we will write case when this order date is equal to the delivery date. If both the dates are same, it is a immediate order. So let's identify it by value 1. So if it is immediate order, let's place the value 1 when the dates are same. Otherwise, if it is a scheduled order, that is if the dates are different, let's add the value 0. Okay, so this will be our order type. Let's run and see the output. So for every order, we have determined whether it is immediate order, which is indicated by value 1 in the order type column, or it is a scheduled order, which is indicated by value 0. Okay, so this is what we have got now. Once we get this, it is very simple. So what we can do is we can simply sum this column. So if we do 1 plus 1, we will get 2. So that will give us the total number of immediate orders that are present. Okay, so that will be the first thing. So what we can do is let's remove the other columns and just keep this column and sum it. Sum total. So we will just sum it up to get the value 2. And another thing that we need is, so we need two things. One, the number of immediate orders that are present and the total number of orders that are present. Okay, so the total number we can determine using the count function. So what we will do is we will use the count function and get the total orders. So let's run and see this output. Okay, so we have got the total number of immediate orders and the total number of actual orders that are present. Okay, so this we can call as immediate orders. This is the immediate orders count and the total orders count we have. So we just need to divide 2 by 6, that is immediate orders by total orders, and we will get the immediate orders percentage. So we will simply, now what we will do is we will do the division of the first column that we just obtained and the second column, and this will give us the immediate orders percentage. So let's call this column as immediate percentage. Let's run this and see. Now notice that we are doing an integer division. Okay, so 2 divided by 6, it is an integer division. So if we run this, we get the value as 0. Why we get value as 0? Because it's an integer division, 2 divided by 6. So the quotient is 0. That's why we are getting that value. However, we want it to be of decimal type. So what we can do is either one of these values, we can have it as a decimal value. So what we will do is we will multiply it by a decimal value 1.0, and then let's run this. So we have got the value, but we need the value in form of percentage. So we have to just multiply this by 100. So let's change this 1.0 to 100.0 and let's run this. Okay, so we have got the percentage, just that we will do a little bit of formatting and kind of let's get it to two decimal places. So what we will do is the maximum number that this percentage can go is 100. So before this decimal, there can be three numbers that can be present, and after this decimal, we want two two decimal places. So how we will achieve is we will use the cast function, and we will cast the result to be of type decimal, and we will use 5 comma 2. So 2 indicates that it is a decimal, this many decimal places are to be used, and 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So that will say that prior to decimal there can be 3 digits that can be present, because the maximum number that we expect is to be 100, 100. So that's why this is a suitable casting. So let's run this and see the output. So we have got the data in the proper percentage format, what we were looking for. So we have determined what is the total percentage of immediate orders. So just to summarize, immediate order is the order where the order date and delivery date is same. If it is different, those are called as scheduled orders, wherein the delivery date is on a later day than the order date. So what we have to do is to find the total percentage of immediate orders, we have to simply count how many immediate orders are there. So that we did using the sum function. We have compared the 2 days to determine if it is an immediate order, done the aggregation, summed the column, and after summing the column, we have divided it by the total number of entries that are present, that is total number of orders which we have computed using the count function. So after doing this division, we get the overall result that we need. Just we have to convert it into percentage format. For that we multiply it by the 100, and then to get the output in a good format, we have used the cast function and got it casted into a decimal format 5 comma 2. So this is the output. So if you found this video useful, please like the video, please share the video with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Also, please provide your feedback in the comments about what you like about this video. Thank you.